Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to transfer videos from PC to iPhone. Firstly, you need a USB cable, a macOS or Windows PC, photos stored in Mac's Photos, Pictures or any folder. Firstly, connect your iPhone to your Mac via USB. On your Mac or Windows PC, open the Finder and select your iPhone in the sidebar. Click the Photos tab, then check the box Sync Photos to your device from. Choose a folder like Photos app or Pictures from the drop-down menu. Now, choose whether to sync all photos or just selected albums. Then when you're done reviewing the photos or videos you want to send, just click Apply to begin syncing. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.